Goeiemôre almal. Ek het 'n baie interessante video vandag vir julle. Kan God verskyn as gold dust? Nou kom ons kyk net gou in die Bybel. Die New King James daar in Job 22 vers 24 sê die volgende. Hy sê, "Then you will lay up your gold in the dust, and the gold of Ophir among the stones of the brook." Dan sê vers 25, "Yes, the Almighty will be your gold." Nou, dis iets wat nie baie mense weet nie, en die wat so paar het al gehoor daarvan, maar weet nie regtig wat dit is nie. So, God kan verskyn as gold dust. Hy manifesteer as gold dust. Nou, ek kan vir jou 'n paar voorbeelde noem, maar ek gaan net een noem, want ek wil graag vir jou eintlik 'n video wys oor dit. Nou, so, is al 'n hele paar jaar terug, het ek een Sondagoggend, ek kan nie onthou hoekom, ons kon toe nie kerk toe gaan die oggend nie, my vrou was in die bad, en ek het sommer die laptop gevat, en op die bed gaan sit, die laptop op my skoot, en ek het 'n video, 'n preek gekyk van Kenneth Hagin. Na so rukkie toe ek so kyk op die laptop, hierso waar die keyboard is, toe sy vol gold dust. Ongelooflik geweest. Soos ek sê, ek kan vir jou nog 'n paar voorbeelde noem, maar ek wil jy moet hierdie video kyk, dis unbelievable. Jy gaan dit geniet, en ek hoop hierdie sal jou bless.
You will see the presence because you will look in his face. And you will understand why through many years people have only been singing Amazing Grace. But this time it will be stepping over a line. And when you walk there, you will know the glory is now mine. And when you come back, people will see it physically with their eyes. And then more and more people will all of a sudden realize that this cannot be a story, because this is truly visible glory. And it's open for all because the veil has been rent. All you got to do in your spirit in worship, you must bend. Come into his presence. Walk into the place that is called there. And you know, when you're living in the spirit, it's anywhere. So child of the living God, don't you think it's time to draw nigh? Don't you think it's time to worship the one who lives on high? You can enter that place. It's called the throne. And you can realize you are flesh of his flesh and bone of his bone. You are part of the family. By his blood, you've been set free. You are a king. You are a priest. In his image, you've been made. So child of God, walk in, live there, be there, dwell there, in the secret place.